Have you ever noticed or ever found that when you're deeply engrossed in a task, it becomes tough to pay attention to those around you? This phenomenon is known as the Seesaw Effect, and it's rooted in how our brains operate. It revolves around the brain's dual networks, the task positive network and the default mode network. The task positive network kicks in when we're tackling external problems or chasing specific business objectives. In contrast, the default mode network comes alive when we're considering interpersonal relationships, people, empathy, and social interactions. Our brains are primarily focused on one of these networks at a time. So when we're fully absorbed in our work, our ability to connect emotionally with others diminishes. And similarly, when our attention shifts to relationships, it becomes more challenging to concentrate or focus on objectives and tasks. So this balancing act is particularly crucial for leaders. If a leader swings too far to being overly task focused or too wrapped in social dynamics, their overall effectiveness can suffer. Understanding how to navigate this seesaw effect is essential for optimum performance. So, if you're eager to dive deeper into managing not just the seesaw effect, but other intriguing leadership paradoxes, we invite you to our upcoming workshop entitled Paradoxical Leadership: Unlocking Success in a Rapidly Changing World. It's taking place on Wednesday, the 23rd of October at 12:30 p.m. and you can sign up through the link provided. We're really excited to seeing you there. Come and join us. We look forward to having a chat with you.